One Times Square, the home of the New Year's Eve Ball, will open its doors to the public next year as a year-round destination for entertainment, art, and technology. The event today is a preview of the experiences coming to One Times Square, the Crystal VIP experience. Today, for the first time, New Yorkers and visitors from around the world will participate in the changing of the crystals for the Times Square New Year's Eve Ball.
We had a really big crowd. We made an announcement last minute that we were going to invite the public to share in the crystal experience by taking the crystals off the ball and allowing them to take them home and replace them with one of the new crystals. I get a thrill whenever I go up to the ball, and I really love touching the crystal. It's beautiful. And so now to see that everybody's as interested and thrilled by it as I am feels good.
Yeah, they're getting online, and they have a chance right now to actually go through the process of removing a piece of the old ball, installing a new piece on, and the piece that they remove, they actually get in a nice little pouch, and they get to take it home with them, so it's a really cool experience.
The public doesn't get to get that close to the ball. It sees it through camera shots, and so we're actually going to let them see it through their own lens and their eyes.